Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit images in Playground AI. First of all, open any browser and go to Playground AI. Once you're here, you'll see an image of a Disney princess. Today, we will edit this image. Before adding the image, go to the right side and here you will see two options. The first one is Added Instructions Strength, in which we will track it to 4 to 6, otherwise, it will not give a good result. Then, adjust the quality and detail to 18 to 20. Go back to the image and for editing this image, go to the prompt. Here, I will type change cloth colors to black. Now you can see the color of the clothes has been changed. Then, drag our cursor over the image and click on Edit this image. Then, click on the Add Mask button. You can easily specify the area of editing. There's a button for the mask and another for the eraser. You can erase the mask area, and here you can easily control the extension and construction of the mask. Create a mask on the neck and write in the prompt, put a necklace. Boom. Click on Edit this image. Now, I will cover the area of the hair, and in the prompt, I will write change the color of the hair to red. Boom. Click on the Save button. You can download the image by clicking on the Download button and import images by clicking this button. You can generate images by entering a prompt in this section. That's the way to edit images in Playground AI. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.